Hello everybody, hope you're doing well and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a dessert which is a personal favorite. I really love it. It's called Aish saraya and I think it's pretty easy. Yeah, you can make that one. So without further ado, let's get started. First thing you need white bread and I'm gonna roast or toast this bread in the oven and I'm just gonna turn on the grill and let it get color from the top. And then I'm gonna flip the bread slices and let them get color from the other side. And there you go, they're ready, and let them cool down. Now I'm gonna make the sugar syrup, which we need for this recipe. And we need for the sugar syrup 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of water. Also, we need a few drops of lemon juice. And this is half a teaspoon of rose water, and it's very optional. If you don't like it, or if you can't get your hands on it, it's alright, you can skip it. Let it boil for 10 minutes. Try not to move the saucepan at all, and you don't need to stir it or anything like that. So yeah, just let it boil. Now pour the sugar syrup onto the bread immediately after you turn off the heat. So please guys, be careful at this point because the sugar syrup is literally boiling, and we need to do that because we want the bread to absorb all the sugar syrup. So we want it to be very soft. And as you can see, I'm flipping the bread slices just to make sure that they absorb all the sugar syrup and every single piece of bread gets soaked. Now I'm going to make the second layer, and we need 4 cups of full fat milk. And also we need 2 tablespoons of corn flour or cornstarch. And this is 8 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Now stir this mixture until everything is well combined. This is 1 tablespoon of sugar, and this is 1 tablespoon of rose water. You can skip that completely. This is ashta or double cream, thick cream, whatever you want to call it. Yeah. And this is 2 pieces or 2 slices of bread. I'm gonna cut the edges. And then I'm gonna cut the slice into small pieces, as you can see. Now put this on the stove and turn on the heat. And then add the bread pieces. We want to bring this to boil and simmer. And look at it now, it's about to boil and it's pretty thick. Now it's boiling, so I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of butter just to make the flavor even better and rich. Now pour this mixture onto the bread. Now leave this in the fridge for at least 3 hours, but I left it overnight. Also, I'm going to crush some pistachio for garnishing. Well, actually, I'm cutting it, so yeah. You can use almond or cashew instead of pistachio, but yeah, I think pistachio really suits this type of dessert and it's really delicious. It's done. Now I'm gonna cut a piece to show you what it looks like. It's no way to eat this without a cup of coffee. And I'm gonna upload a new video about how to make Turkish coffee very soon, so please stay tuned. And that's it for today's video. I hope you really enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a brand new video. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching and we shall speak very soon. Bye bye.